rusted streetlights hum their tune, while dawn replaces the tired moon. Her laughter drifts through empty air, like smoke that once was shining hair. The shop signs blink, the taxis fade, the world awakes, but I've stayed. The night still clings beneath my coat, a song half sung, a line I wrote. Rusted lights and faded steps mark the dreams my soul still kept. Morning comes but won't erase the touch of her, the empty space. Sorrow had a gentle hue, they shine like dawn and feel like you. And I would walk until I find the part of